Hello and welcome to another update video about Ripple XRP. Ripple XRP is continuing to be in a sideways movement. It doesn't really make it easy to understand where the price might be heading, and that is normal. It's just a sideways move at the moment that can of course be traded. Here we are currently in a range between the 78.6% FIB level, at 56 cents, and the 61.8% FIB level at 87 cents. So pretty much in this region here. After we reached my target area down here at 56 cents, we had a strong reaction, but XRP messed up the chance here to do an imminent move up as we broke below certain support levels, broke back below the 50-day moving average. That made it less likely that we go through the next resistance straight away, and that is what we can see now. It has difficulties to get higher. I'm still skeptical if the low was in here for XRP. The possibility exists, it has done what it needs to do. In the correction, it has come below the wave A low from September, and is holding well, okay. It's holding okay at the moment, but whatever's coming up here is not too convincing at the moment. We need that higher high. Until then, I'm skeptical. So there are a few reasons why I am skeptical. First of all, we still see a lot of other cryptos correcting, of course. That is at least one reason, because even though some cryptos have reached the target area yet, Bitcoin hasn't, and therefore there is still a high risk that XRP has not completed the correction. Because while they can decouple from other cryptos, and especially from Bitcoin to a degree, having a completely decoupled crypto, I haven't seen it yet. They move at different times, sometimes different waves, yes. But while Bitcoin, for example, crashes, that you then see another crypto doing really well is extremely rare. I'm not saying it's not possible, it happens, but it's extremely rare. The other reason is that to talk about a sustainable breakout, we want to get at least above 91 cents, but better above, here the $1 level, or $1.02 is actually that red resistance line here. $1.02 has been before an important support and resistance level, and at least I would want to see that. Until then, I'm not going to talk really about a sustainable breakout to the upside. So these are the main reasons, really. And also, what we should not forget is that if we're losing here, if we're losing 38 cents, there is a chance that XRP also goes down to 20 cents. That would be a significant drop below those 38 cents, and we haven't been too far away from them. So in another Bitcoin crash, you could see XRP lose the 38 cents. That is the last FIB level really in this scenario. And if that drops, then you can expect a 20 cent XRP, which would be here around that previous support, and that would be really, really low. So there are still risks here. Overall, it is moving sideways at the moment. I think it's waiting for Bitcoin's decision, because what you could see here is that you could understand this just as a three-wave move to the upside here, and that we already now in an impulse to the downside maybe have now built a wave 1. That could be a wave 2 we're doing. Next wave would be an impulsive wave 3 down. Then you get a wave 4 corrective, and a final wave 5 down, maybe to 38 cents. But until we really see some movement here, we don't know. We need to understand, will this, what we're doing here now, be just another lower high? And if this is the case, we really might see another sell-off imminently. And the support for that would be, as I said, 56 cents, and below that we've got 38. To the upside, I told you the resistance levels as well. It's basically the previous high here at 92 cents. Then we've got the 200-day moving average here at 97 cents. And then we've got this $1.08 level, which is, I think, the 50% FIB level. Okay. So overall, hard to say at the moment. Sideways is also a direction, and we need to wait for a clear direction of what the market is doing now. Unfortunately, these phases exist, especially in a situation where we have already reached the target area, where the minimum requirements for a completion of the correction are complete, and then you move sideways and you just need to wait. Until the target area was reached, it was clear to me we are coming down lower. Now it's different. It's getting more positive, because the correction could be complete, but we haven't got confirmation yet. Nevertheless, for me, these prices are already attractive, and I started to dollar cost average in already. You know that if you've been following my videos, and also if you are a channel member and you can access my buy and sell orders, then you might have already seen this. Looking at the EMA ribbon here on the daily chart, what we might be getting here soon is that these EMAs are crossing. They tried already, so it's a bit difficult to see. If the price pushes a little bit higher, we could get on the daily here these EMA to cross, and then you could actually get a long signal. Yeah, and currently, if I zoom in, the price is holding above the EMAs. Okay, and when they all cross, then you get the long signal. It's holding currently. It's struggling clearly, but after we moved with this huge green candle here down from around 70 cents to nearly 80 cents here on the 28th of Feb. Since then, we've been above the EMAs on the daily, and that is important. So yeah, as long as we hold above them, there is a little bit of a higher chance to actually continue to move up. On the 4-hour chart, you already had a long signal here, but again, since then it's just been moving sideways. So just because you get that long signal doesn't mean you have to buy. It's only one indicator, yeah, just to make that clear. But also here we're holding above these EMAs for now, which is a positive sign. But as long as you see them above it, it's fine. But if you see them drop below it, then you can expect here a stronger move down, I think. On the 1-hour chart as well, the EMA ribbon on the 1 hour is also currently just now been surpassed. Yeah, so we broke through to the upside. So generally we are above the EMAs on the daily, the 4 hour and the 1 hour. That is a good sign. Yeah, but what we don't see at the moment is the increased volume that would allow the price to push higher. I mean, overall you could even argue that what we're seeing here is a little bit of a bull flag, a bit too long what's going on here, so there is a risk that it's running out of momentum. But again, it's difficult to say where we're heading, right? I can only speculate until we have a clear signal of the market, and at the moment I don't have that clear signal of the market. I can only tell you that the correction could be complete because the minimum requirements of the correction have been finished, and that we're above the EMAs at the moment. And from here we could start, but only we need to see some volume. We haven't broken any levels that would allow me to say, right, the correction is finished. As soon as that's happening, I'm going to let you know in a video, of course. And if you don't want to miss these videos, then definitely subscribe and maybe even check out the channel membership. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment for the algorithm. And again, as I said, maybe check out the channel membership. You can do that here on YouTube or on my website. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.